So price opened in the middle here at 200s and 300s. Let's see now which side will break out. If we have a 300 retest to the upside, then I would try to short it there, or if we're just going down, go down and hold support here at 200s and then rally. I would like to short this if this happens. Okay, so let's see if we now found momentum to the upside and retest 300s. I've just bought here for the momentum breakout. So price managed to rally above here, initially flash down move, then broke out. Now let's see if it will manage to break out 300s and go higher. So price just tested 300s, initially resistance. Let's see if pivot point will hold and we'll have a retest and then a higher price. So price now retested both pivot points and 300s, held support in both levels. Now move must stop here, so whatever happens to capture this kind of size and let the rest of the trade work. Let's see it up to 350s. So price here had a flash up move to the upside and with volume spike. Let's see now if this is going to consolidate sideways or even go lower. So price held its uptrend. Let's see how far this can go, or if it's going to retest 300s and then go even higher, or if it's just going to rally up to 400s. So price managed to hold all this uptrend until now. Let's see now if it's going to retest initial balance high, then break it down, retest it, hold resistance, and then go for a 300s retest. So today's pattern is this kind of setup. I call it neutral reversal pattern, which price opens in the middle of 300s and 200s in this case, then flash down move with supported momentum, then a breakout and then continuation rally. Another similar setup is this one. Another case at open in the middle between 200s and 100, then support at the range, then breakout, then continuation rally. Let's see if today is going to be a continuation of the rally or a reversal. So the more time price spends above these two lines or in between or above, the higher probability will go further upside. Now I'm short for a pullback down to 300s and then I'll see if I'll try to buy it there for a continuation. Let's see if this happens. So let's see here into perspective on the daily. What happened is that we had down days, then the next day rallied and almost held resistance at the previous day's open price. Today at the moment we are in this kind of level. We just held resistance at yesterday's open price. So let's see now if this resistance will hold the index down or if it just managed to break it to the upside. So good breakdown at the moment. Price failed here at its almost spent an hour or so here just consolidating and trying to make a new high, but failed. Now broke down hard the initial balance high. Let's see if this is going to be retested, held up resistance and then price goes even lower. So as I said a while ago, price, what happened in the past week, it was to test almost or exactly its previous day's open price. Today this was the case as well. Now held resistance. Let's see if it's going to go further downside or if it's just going to break it out. So price retraced its previous downtrend and held resistance here at today's open price of yesterday's session. So let's see now if this will prove to be a good short opportunity out at 300s or equilibrium line, which coincides with pivot point at 284s. So this yesterday's open price at the moment held support. Let's see if it is going to go higher, and let's see it here at the day's open at the daily chart. If this manages to break out, we will probably go even higher. Otherwise, we'll just sell back down. So price failed once more here above yesterday's open price. Let's see if this resistance will hold, and then we'll have a 300s retest or even lower. So if you would like to put this into perspective, you can see here that at the moment we are chopping around this kind of gap high level from previous session. Now let's see if this will manage to hold resistance here and then goes for a 300 retest, or if it just go above and hold above and then go even higher. So price managed to break out this open price and initial balance high of the day and make new high. Let's see now if this can hold above and go up to 400, or if it's just going to reverse back down to initial balance and then go up. So we had a failure here for almost 1 hour to break and hold above previous high of the day. Now reversed. Let's see if and how this will hold here, if we enter back down to for a 300 retest. Okay, so price rallied up to 400. Let's see if this resistance will hold and then we'll have consolidation below, or if it's just going to break out, hold support and then go even higher. So price managed to break out here at 400. Let's see how it will behave here at 450s. So you can see here the uptrend, early high of the day, then retest of this kind of range, support, then breakout. Let's see how far can this go, if it's going to be retest 400s at the US Open and then go even higher. So let's talk about this measured move statistics. Now between this hour and the US cash market open, the average price move is this one, about 100 points. So we can see now that price met its average price measured move. Now let's see if we have a kind of pullback and then a support here at 400s and then we continue to go higher. Let's see now if this flash up move with volume spike right here at resistance 1 pivot point at 50s level will hold the index for a pullback down to 400s. If we would like to put this on perspective on the daily, here we have just retest yesterday's high. Let's see if this could prove to be a good short opportunity and for how long. So price immediately rallied here above for the breakout at 450s, held its open price. Let's see it now if it's going to go at 500s and how it will behave there. So we kind of double topped here at 80s with this kind of failed retest. Let's see now if this pullback at resistance 1 will prove to be support and then we have a continuation to the upside, or if we're just going to break down for a 400s retest. Price managed to sell off from 80s down to 26s. Let's see now if this can hold its support at US cash open price and then price breakout 450s and then goes up to 500s. So price failed to break and hold above 450s. Let's see if this series of lower highs will lead us down to 400s or even lower for a retest of initial balance high. Price kind of double bottom here in correlation with SPY support at 205 fake down. Let's see if this kind of breakout will prove to be a move up to 500s or if it's just going to retest previous high and fail there. Okay, so let's see this kind of very big uptrend since yesterday after the European cash market close. Let's see now if this will be able to hold resistance above this failure above 450s and then we drive lower. Let's bring now the daily chart here to see once again where we are. So we kind of broke out yesterday's high but now reversed back below. So let's see if this could be a very good short for later in the day. For this short to happen, we need to see how price will behave here at 400s, either prior to European cash close or after. So let's see if after we can have a move downwards gradually or if we will just going to hold the highs until tomorrow. So in this kind of trend days, you need to let the price tell you what to do before you even decide what for any other reason. So today we had an initial rally here, continuation for yesterday's after hours after European cash close, and we had a kind of choppiness here, but again the more price The more time price spends between or above these two lines, initial balance high and equilibrium line, the higher the probability will go further upside or in contrary for downside. So very big uptrend today. Let's see where we will be tomorrow after the Fed announcement. We will trade down low to 10,000 almost, or we will just going to be aggressively higher. So get ready and thanks for watching.